Hi everyone, my name is Sanjay Rai. Welcome to my course, Building a REST API using Python and Flask. I am currently a software engineer for Adobe. Flask is the world's most widely used micro-framework for Python. This course is a quick introduction to building a REST API with Python and Flask, and no prior experience with Python or Flask is required. Some of the major topics that we will cover include how to set up your Flask project, implementing routes for all the different HTTP methods, connecting your routes to a database, and adding authentication to your API endpoints. By the end of this course, you'll know the basics of how to build a REST API using Flask and be ready to develop a REST API on your own. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn Flask with the Building a REST API using Python and Flask course on Pluralsight.